Okay, video number 2. So I'm on an Oculus right now. This is the grip button, trigger button, setting my fingers on the buttons right here. I can store a weapon on my hip right there. The reload, I can just knock that one out like that, pull it in, and then I have to cock it. Okay. No auto aim. Where you aim it is where it goes. Beaten 207. Did it? No! I missed one. That would have been it. Okay, let's do it again. Beaten 207. Here we go. I don't understand. I want to try a higher caliber gun, but I like how much ammo this has in a magazine. No. Okay, this is not my route. Why am I going up there? Take a headshot. Nah. I kept hitting the stairs. Oh my gosh. I did it! Yeah! There it is, best on. Let's go again.